The Flins Refactory is Europe's first factory dedicated to the circular economy. Converting the historic showcases a new industrial model, which is profitable, sustainable and digital. Another growth driver for Renault Group, leveraging a vehicle's potential value through its entire life cycle. The Renault factory harnesses the site's know-how to refurbish used vehicles, no matter the brand, thus making it Europe's largest vehicle reconditioning site. The bodywork factory refurbishes heavily damaged vehicles to give them a new lease on life. The refactory converts ICE motor master vans into EV models. Engines, gearboxes and mechatronic parts are also repaired at the Flins facility in a remanufacturing workshop, supplying the network with fully refurbished used parts. A specialised European centre repairs batteries from the group's hybrid and electric vehicles. Thanks to Mobilize's expertise in mobility and energy, batteries are given a second lease on life as they are turned into stationary power storage for one-off electricity needs. Subsidiaries from The Future is Neutral give the refactory a competitive edge thanks to their expertise in collecting, dismantling and recycling parts and materials. The group harnesses the Flins industrial know-how and its pioneering efforts to embrace the circular economy. This strengthens its foothold in France as it develops new skills with high added value. Reconditioning diagnosticians, electromechanics, eco-design professionals, battery repairers, or data analysts. The Mobility Circular Industry Campus, the refactory's academic and training hub, introduces students to circular economy practices. The refactory leverages its open innovation hub to accelerate the emergence and industrialization of innovative solutions. Bridging the gap between the laboratory and the site's activities, the group's Flins Centre for Industry and Innovation develops new business lines for Industry 4.0 and the ecological transition, such as prototyping, 3D printing, maintenance and production facility upgrading. The first refactory of its kind, it draws on Renault Group's history as it invents a new industrial model to serve a more sustainable form of mobility.